Hello friends, and welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today I will be making Mung Dal curry. This recipe what I learned from my husband. It's a Sri Lankan Sinhalese dish. It's a very tasty dish, and I will show you the ingredients what you need for this dish.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
One and a half cup of cooked mung dal, 1 onion sliced, 3 garlic cloves sliced, 4 green chili sliced, curry leaves, pandan or rampa, 1 piece of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seed, half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, salt per your taste, 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of oil. I have a pan heating on medium heat. The oil, add in the cinnamon stick, add the fenugreek seeds, add in the onion, the garlic, the green chili, the pandan leaf, and the curry leaves. And just let this fry till it's a little bit golden brown. It's been frying for a couple of minutes. I just don't want it to be too golden brown. So this is good enough. Go ahead and add your mung dal. Salt for your taste. Give it a good mix. So let this saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright guys, so it has been frying in this pan for about 3 minutes to be exact. Turmeric powder, unroasted tuna baha, the chili powder. Give this a good mix. I have about half a cup of water. Put the lid back on and cook it for about 7 minutes. So it has been 8 minutes. Let's give it a good stir. Now you can go ahead and add the coconut milk. So I'm going to put the lid back on. I'm going to cook it on medium heat for another 10 minutes. And please do stir in between the 10 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes cooking on medium heat. Give it a good stir and just leave it on medium heat. Put the lid back on, cook it for about another 7 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 7 minutes. If you like it more thicker, you can keep it on for another 5 to 7 minutes, but I like it gravy, so I shut off the heat. I'll plate it and I'll show you. Alright guys, so this is it. It's a spicy Sri Lankan style mung dal curry. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please hit like, comment, subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
What?